In the world of agriculture, only the best can ensure peak performance and reliability. Farming means tough conditions and demanding work every single day. Gates top quality belts are built for durability, reliability, and performance. Even in the toughest conditions, all season long. With premium quality belts and hydraulic assemblies built to original equipment standards. Gates is your one-stop shop for safe, long-lasting hydraulics, designed to interact flawlessly. Hoses, couplings, dies, machines, and tools are fine-tuned to be fully compatible.
Because we run a large fleet of equipment, we don't want any downtime when we're working the equipment. The fact that we can assemble the product so quickly and so efficiently is really a game changer. It's definitely one for the future.
Our MXT hydraulic hose gives you 3 times the lifetime. It's 40% easier to bend and 30% lighter to handle. Less downtime, easier assembly, and more time in the field.